It's an ordinary day in a sleepy rural village when an extraordinary visitor graces their football field. It's none other than the global superstar, Cristiano Ronaldo. Basking in the serenity, away from the glitz and glamour, Ronaldo is on a quest to rediscover the pure, unfiltered essence of the sport he loves. Love of football runs deep here, embedded into the very bedrock of the community. The children, who have learned to dribble before they could walk, come together and show Ronaldo the heart of their game. They might not have shiny stadiums or filled to the brim trophy cabinets, but they possess an unyielding spirit and a contagious passion for the game. As Ronaldo starts to feel the rhythm of the village and the infectious energy, football once again becomes not just a job, but a joy. Pulsating with excitement, the day ends on a high note of laughter, camaraderie, and unforgettable moments, culminating in friendships and memories that are every bit as precious